Hi students, we are going to do work with teacher for some questions and we will skip some questions. Let's start. Looking at question 1a, we can see that the whole is split into 10 equal parts. Each part is 1/10 and 3 shaded parts is 3/10, which is 0.3. 0.3 is 3/10. Question 1b. This is one shaded part. This is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10 is shaded, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10. So it's one whole, which is 1 in the ones place, and 8/10, which is 8 in the 10th place. Total shaded is 1.8, which is 1 whole and 8/10. Question 2. Express each of the following as a decimal. Question A shows 3/10, which is 3/10. It is a proper fraction where the whole is split into 10 equal parts. 3/10 is represented as 0.3. The digit 3 is in the 10th place. The digit 0 is in the ones place. Question 2c. 3 wholes and 7/10. This is a mixed number which is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction. 7/10 is represented as 0.7. So the digit 7 is in the 10th place, while the digit 3 is in the ones place. So 3 wholes and 7/10 is read as 3.7. Question 2d. 13 wholes and 5/10. 5/10 is represented as 0.5. So the digit 5 is in the 10th place. 13 wholes is represented as 13.0. So it is 13.5. Question 3a. We've got 3 wholes and 2/10. So the digit 3 is in the ones place and 2 is in the 10th place. Question 4. Express the length of the nail as a decimal. Let's look at the picture. One whole is split into 10 equal parts and each part is 1/10, which is 0.1. Let's count 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 1 whole. After that, it would be 1.1, followed by 1.2 and 1.3. So the length of the nail is 1.3 cm. The answer is 1.3. Make sure that you have shown neat handwriting for page 51's work with teacher. Now let's turn to page 52. Let's read question 5. Express the mass of the bunch of bananas as a decimal. The mass is shown on the weighing scale. One whole is split into 10 equal parts and one part is 1/10, which is 0.1. So let's read 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. 0.5 is in the middle, but that's not the answer. Let's continue. 0.6, 0.7 and 0.8. So the needle is pointing to 0.8, which is the mass of the bananas. And so the answer is 0.8 kg. kg. Question 6. Mark with a cross and write each decimal on the number line. It starts from 0. From 0 to 1, it's split into 10 equal parts. The first part is 1/10, which is 0.1. Let's continue counting. 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, and 0.9. Let's mark a cross on 0.9. Let's continue counting. After 1, it's 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and 1.6. We have found 1.6. 1.7, 1.8. We have found 1.8. 2 after 2 wholes is 2.1. 2.2, 2.3, and we have found 2.4. Question 8. Question A. In 30.1, which digit is in the 10th place? Let's look at 30.1. The digit 1 is in the 10th place, the digit 0 is in the 1's place, and the digit 3 is in the 10th place. So the digit 1 is in the 10th place, and it is expressed as 0.1 in decimal. Question 8b. In 14.8, which digit is in the 1's place? We can see that 4 is in the 1's place. Let's skip to question 9. 9c. 10.8 is represented as 10 wholes and 8/10. 8/10 is 0.8 in decimal. Look at question 9b. 4 ones. So the digit 4 is in the 1's place. 0.7 shows that the digit 7 is in the 10th place. The digit 2 is in the 10th place, so it's 2/10, which is 20. We have come to the end of Work with Teacher. First, make sure that your handwriting is neat. Second, make sure that you have written all of the workings that is seen in this video. Then you may complete the rest of the questions on your own. Goodbye.